to Talabadi. This is Kamian with Myanmar. Today we're reacting to Hit, the third case, Hunter's Command, with the amazing, talented Nani.
Natural star Nani.
Yes. So if you're ready, let's dive right into in 3, 1,
Go.
Coming for HQ on 3. Coming for HQ on 3. साहब वो बनियाल पास से जो सफेद बोलेरो जा रही है वो आपके ऑफिसर चला रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ तो
अपने ऑफिसर को तुरंत वापस बुलाइए, वो खतरे में है।
हाँ ठीक है
क्या ठीक है
मतलब जो ऑफिसर खतरे में है वो खुद ही एक खतरा है।
आप समझ नहीं रहे हो सरकार।
हाँ वही उसका नाम है। Shit. Go.
No time waste.
yes.
Trailer wise, it is looking more of a like action movie. ये तो actually thriller movie था, suspense thriller that hit. The first case hit, the second case. Both are like serial killer type of suspense thriller movie. Now Nani is there and he's looking like a very dangerous type of cop. It will be like a masala type of suspense thriller or like it is like Rat Sasan. So I don't have any idea. Maybe they make it like Rat Sasan. Rat Sasan was not commercial thriller. It was like serial killer only. But एक अलग ही type का movie था वो एक one of the best psychological thrillers you can say. Don't know because वो वायलेंस दिखा रहे तो थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है मेरे को. तुम लोग क्या मांस मसाला बनाने के चक्कर में हैं और क्या है. और आदि विशेष तो मेरे हिसाब से तो होना चाहिए क्योंकि दोनों पार्ट में वही था. नो आइडिया. बट नानी है तो नानी चूज वेरी गुड स्क्रिप्ट. रिसेंटली वी सॉ दिस सारी पोड़ा सानीवारम अमेजिंग मूवी. हाय नाना, जर्सी, दसरा, जो भी है नानी का फिल्मोग्राफी वो लाइक रेयरली आई हैव सीन दैट ही हैज चोजन अ बैड स्क्रिप्ट. जो वर्स्ट भी रहता है वो भी एक एवरेज मूवी निकलता है. तो मेरे को तो ट्रस्ट है नानी के ऊपर.
Yes.
बट आई एम नॉट सीइंग आदि विशेष नेम तो आई एम जस्ट थोड़ा सा हियर देयर.
At least in my case that I haven't seen anything. It was more like a teaser. It didn't feel like a trailer. And the way they did it, it was so good that it will like make you want to watch it. That is the main thing. Like they didn't reveal anything. Just like he's dangerous. Yes, that he is dangerous and that people are chasing him and he's just getting ready and he's bloody. That is everything they showed.
Yes.
Nothing else. We didn't get anything else from this teaser trailer, whatever.
और like title announcement जो भी है.
Yes, whatever it is, we didn't get much. But only from what they showed here, even like if they don't put anything else afterwards, I would go watch it.
हाँ anytime.
The way he like the main thing about Nani is that he acts so good. The way he like his body language is so well, like he acts that part so well that he doesn't need to say anything. Only with that you'll be like, it will be a good movie. I will watch this thing. So just by the little glimpses we got, like why his uniform is full of blood.
Yes.
I don't know. his knuckles are busted. I don't know. If you notice, he had these tires ready for snow with chains. The others that were chasing him didn't have them.
Yes.
Like, what led to this thing? What happened? Like, he said in the earlier movies he wasn't there. So, what is going on in here? How they will connect? They will create a universe like they're doing now for everything.
Yes.
That it will be interesting to know. Like, if they will become partners or something.
Maybe it is some sort of cinematic universe. Nowadays it is very common.
Yes.
So, nahi pata.
Yes, that is what I said. Like, I think maybe they will make a universe. So, we just did a quick search. And yes, it will be a cinematic universe.
Yes.
So, it will be interesting.
Because every part have different hero. So, maybe they all will like Avengers. Murder mystery wale Avengers ban jayega. वो आगे चल के क्या पता.
Yes, but I think this will be better than the ones we have seen lately from Bollywood. I have better hope for this, that they will not be so, like, generic.
जेनेरिक नहीं, जबरदस्ती के सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स नहीं है ये. दे आर प्लानिंग फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम, बिकॉज नानी का जो आया था लास्ट पार्ट में वो बहुत टाइम हो गया उसको.
So yeah, there's like, I have a lot of hope on them. Like we had in Vikram, we have hope in here. So let's see what will happen, how it will be.
टीजर को तो मैं भाई रेटिंग 4 दूंगा, क्योंकि वो 10 कितना 1 मिनट का है, हार्डली 1-1.5 मिनट का कुछ है ये.
And it just
हाँ, उसमें वो आपको हुक कर लेगा. तो 4 मैं यूजुअली नहीं देता इतना ज्यादा रेटिंग, बट 4 तो है. नानी.
Yeah, same in my case. I really loved it. I really liked it.
Looking very good.
Yes. So
very good.
if you guys have any more information, please
let
put
us
it
know.
down below in the comment section. Like always, remember to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Bye.